Hi, my name is Chris Rader and I'm a Learning and Development Manager at ZoomInfo. This best practices short is designed to showcase the best tips and tricks for sourcing the best candidates in TalentOS. When beginning with a large list of candidates, the volume can seem overwhelming. Through utilizing the tools and resources within TalentOS, you can make easy work of identifying your targeted candidate pool. Once we have set our parameters within our candidate experience filters, we can then move to candidate info. In candidate info, we can select our likely to listen filter. This will help us identify those candidates that are more likely to be open to a conversation about a new opportunity. This designation is based on an algorithm developed and built out by our data scientists identifying those factors that contribute to an individual potentially leaving their work environment. Those factors can include high turnover within their company at the management level, high turnover within the industry, frequent job changes, or low employee growth rate at their company. You can easily identify those candidates that are likely to listen, as they are designated as such under the highlights of their profile. By selecting a candidate, their profile will give you some insight into their likely to listen score. Next, we can go into the company info filters and go into Scoops. Scoops data is information collected by our research team to help guide your decision-making processes. Within the Scoops filters, you can search among those less than ideal circumstances or major changes within a company that may be ideal for you to target in your recruitment process. Within Scoops, you could filter for individuals who work within organizations experiencing layoffs, a pain point with employee retention, a pain point in bankruptcy, or an organization going through a merger or acquisition. You can identify a single scoop or overlay them to find patterns within your target industry. You may also utilize our diversity and inclusion filters to identify diverse individuals to aid in your recruitment targets. As another option, you may utilize TalentOS's smart filters. Here you can zero in on information you may wish to target in your recruitment process. First, you may explore the workplace environment ratings as powered by Comparably. Through this feature, you can explore workplace environment ratings from actual employee reviews and insight into their organization. Comparably is an add-on feature available within TalentOS. You can also explore corporate experiences within the candidates, identify those with more focused hospital and medical facilities experience, narrow down those likely to listen attributes in candidate intelligence, target those high demand technology skills, or dive deeper into the educational background of the candidates. Thanks for taking the time to learn more about sourcing the best candidates in TalentOS. Be sure to check out our other best practices shorts to level up your learning and maximize your leverage of ZoomInfo.